Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a 99-cent haul, and after seeing It's a Deal, Leanna, I had to go to the 99-cent store, and I normally don't go there alone. So hubby took me, and yeah, I I had a crazy incident, almost like a kidnapping scenario last year there. And so it's very scary. You guys, please, it was very scary. I just want to say that. So yeah, take care of your children, you guys. I normally don't take them there, but that day I did, and it was scary. But anyways, let's get into the video. I seen Leanna's video, and so yeah, I had to go, and so this is what I picked up: some mini plastic storage. And I love these to put in some of the beads and little charms that I only have like 3 of, just a small amount. So I thought this would be perfect for that. And I'm not sure where I'm gonna put these in, but they do fit in these storage organizers that I picked up as well from there. So they fit really well in there. So it'll go in like this, and then you still have this space. It won't go in this way, but you have that, and then you have that space. You probably could put a little tray in there and then have these. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna figure this out, but I did pick up 3 more of these. I love using these. I already have a whole collection of these already, so definitely creating a collection with these because I love these. These things, yes, they're my life. They're my crafty life. So I did pick up, let's see here, 4 of those. Those were awesome. And then I picked up these. I thought these stars were really nice, and they were a little over $1, but they come in 3s, and I really like them for sunny days. So if I do a sunny day swap, this is definitely gonna go in there. They're really good quality. I was very surprised how they were wrapped as well. And yeah, I really like them, you guys. They look really nice, especially even though if you have like a themed bathroom, those would look really pretty in. But yeah, I like that. And oh goodness, you guys, I don't even know where to start, but I'm gonna start with this massive confetti. So I did pick up these confetti tubes, and they only had one in pink. And I figure, you know what? I'm just gonna grab as many as I'm able to, and I could just take these colors out, and I put sequins in there or beads or whatever to gift in friend mail. So the blue would go with sunny days as well. So I picked up 2 of the blue, and then I am doing Halloween swap. So I picked up 3 of those, and so I will put those on the side because they are a huge pile here. So let me put that right there so you could see just a bit of it right there. Okay, and oh goodness, I was so excited for these. I found these right here, and these are pencil charms, but you guys know what we're going to use these for. But so for only a little under 50 cents each, you get these a little pom-pom and a tassel. And I love the gold right there. The gold, it's kind of like the faux leather, so I really liked it. And then the pom-pom is super cute already with a little tassel on it, and so I could just remove this part and actually use that for something else. But I picked up 3. That was all that they had, and so I got all 3 of them. Yeah, I can't wait to use those. Definitely will be using those in projects. Okay, next I got these. You've probably seen them already. They're tassels. These are sold at Hobby Lobby as well. But I got them because they have the orange and yellow for Halloween. Like I mentioned in my last video, I'm doing a swap for Halloween, the orange and the yellow. And you know, I'm doing Hey Pumpkin. So Hey Pumpkin has this teal color, so it'll work as well. There's a teal again there. But definitely for 99 cents, yeah, that was a very good deal, I thought. And then I did pick these up. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for, but I love the colors. And you know what? This is not from 99-cent store, although it was 99-cent store. It's from another store. Oopsie. But I really like the colors. I'm not sure where I got that. But yeah, there's that right there. That kind of made its way through. And I picked up these magnets right here to put in friend mail. I thought they were really nice. And yeah, they got some hellos there. And I'm not sure what this one says. Follow your heart, I believe. Another hello, but really cute magnets. 5-piece set. So I picked those up. And then I picked this up for friend mail. I thought the snow cone went with carousel. I thought it really went with carousel and probably also dulce. So that was a really good find to put in friend mail for swapping. And then I figured, hey, I might do mermaid one day. I have a bunch of mermaid stuff, so might as well add more. But I picked up these mermaid stationery sticky notes. So there's 2 of those. And then this cute little pencil holder, which is also mermaid. Thought it was cute for friend mail. Really cute. And then, oh, you guys, these ones remind me of the Michael's Mermaid paper pad. But I really love her. Isn't she pretty? Look at her. I love it. Love, love, love it. But I only picked up one. They did have a few. I wasn't sure if I was going to do mermaid because I keep buying mermaid stuff. And I have like a pile of mermaid stuff, but I never do mermaid. So I want to. It's in me to do mermaid, but I haven't gotten to it. I picked up more of these because I like these in embellishment boxes. They fit really nice. And I also like them to use them in projects, especially with pink. And then I picked up these just notes. This is congrats. You know, when someone's having a challenge and they reach a certain point, I like to send, I've always been meaning to send congratulation cards. And also I picked up hello cards, just saying hello, you know, for racks. And then lastly, I hope that's, oh, there's more. Here is, I picked up this face masks, and I like the colors because they went with the swap that I'm doing. So I'm gonna gift that in friend mail. And then of course these pom-poms, and yeah, I had to get them as well. Been seeing everyone hauling, especially It's a Deal. So I had to get these. So that is my haul for 99-cent store. Don't forget these right here for the 99-cent store. So you guys, hopefully you liked everything you've seen, and maybe we'll able to go to your 99-cent and pick up some crafty items. But yeah, you guys, my favorite are these just such a good quality. But thank you so much for hanging in there with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.